Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to block followers on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and then go to your profile and find section that says who you follow and who follows you. So let's tap here, and at the top you should select followers section. So now you have to find exact follower that you want to block and press and hold it like this. And from the list of functions you should find function that says block this user, and of course confirm it by tapping block button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.